Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my Anfield Road expansion update, my weekly one, although I haven't been here for 10 days because the days when I've been able to get up here it's either been raining or too windy. As you know, the weather's not been great in Liverpool the last 2 weeks. So it's officially British summertime now, so hopefully the weather will get a bit better and there'll be no more delays in me getting up here. And it's given me a chance to learn my drone a bit more as well, because remember in the last video I said that because the drone's got 2 cameras. I mean, the normal camera only goes up to 4 times zoom, then I'd have to turn it off, then switch to the zoom camera. I could only zoom in, film in the zoom camera at 7 times zoom. I'll talk about zoom. There's a little lift going on there, so I'll get over. There somewhere. There it is. Yeah, I could only film in 7 times zoom if it turns the recording off and start recording it. No, I found out I can do explorer modes now, and I can switch between both while filming in one, which is brilliant. The only thing is there's a bit of a jump, so if I show you what I mean by the jump. So at the moment I'm in 3 times, then I'm going to, right, that's 4 there, and then it jumps to 7. So it's switching between cameras, that's all that's doing. And then I can just, you know, get right in there. That's 17. There's 25. Okay, so it's just a little example of what I can do with this drone now, which really helps me out a lot. So I'm going to get right back out. So yeah, there's quite a lot going on. There's both cranes are on the move, as you can see there. There's a cherry picker down here that's doing something. Let's swing around a sec. There's actually someone in that cherry picker doing something. So yeah, I'm trying not to dwell on this too much, so I'm going to get up, going to get over, see what's been going on, and I'll get straight into the comments. Well, I've got quite a few comments to get through. Don't really need to go to high, do I? A little look at what's going on the roof there. I'll see about the jump. Those guys working on the roof there, so yeah, I'll jump straight into the comments and we'll get looking around the grounds and hopefully put this zoom into good use. Yeah, for those that don't know, I appeared on Mr. Drone's channel on he put it out on Friday. I was there on Thursday. We filmed it on Thursday and he put it out on Friday. Sort of a little podcast, a little me and him doing a sit down chat about drones and football. So if you like drones and football, go on Mr. Drone's channel, have a look at the video. I'll put a link in the description here as well. Okay. Also, I've reluctantly activated super thanks. A simple reason, people have been asking if they can buy me a pint and stuff, and I haven't needed the money, but what I am going to do, just get over here and have a little turn around. I'm going to use it for good. I'm going to use it for my Grassroots football campaign. So those that watch quite a lot know that I'm passionate about Grassroots football, and I want to try and help them. So yeah, that's my idea. So the super thanks is open. Anyone who wants to buy me a pint can use the super tanks. It comes up in my analytics separately. One second, I've lost it. Because I started walking, that's all, from away from the zone. It lost signal, sorry about that. Yeah, so I've activated the super tanks, and people can, if they want, donate through there, and it'll go straight to grassroots football. Okay. So I'm going to get a little bit higher just so I don't lose the signal. So someone said, can I film a match from outside the no-fly zone with this zoom? I probably could, but I'd be breaking all kinds of rules, all kinds of laws, which I don't want to do, so I won't. But the laws I would be breaking is I'd probably have to go above the ceiling of what I'm allowed to do. There's some mowing the pitch there. Let's get a good look at them. It's going to jump any second. There it is. And there's someone mowing the pitch. It's really good to zoom in it. Yeah, so the laws I'd be breaking is I'd have to go above the ceiling that I'm allowed to fly, which is 120 metres. I'd have to go like probably 400s and have the risk of colliding with aircraft, which I don't want to do, so I won't be doing that. Also, I think the Premier League will probably have me for copyright. Also, there's a lot of you that are liking the new zone, so yeah, I thank you for all the comments on that. Let's have a little look around here. I'm going to swing out this way. Another one is which I need to make this clear. Subscribe to my channel is absolutely free. I know I've mentioned about the super tanks. That's completely, you know, up to yourselves. If you want to do that, there's no pressure in that. But someone said that they subscribe to my channel after watching me for months. They thought that they had to pay to watch my channel, and you don't. You don't have to pay to watch any channel. Some offer subscriptions, but every single one's free to subscribe to. So you're really helping me out if you subscribe to my channel. So please do. Comments are always helpful as well. That helps the algorithm. Likes help the algorithm. Even if you want to tell me how bad I am, you know, thank you for helping the algorithm. I'll come across the down a bit. Someone said that hopefully it's easier to get tickets when this new stand's built. Unfortunately, I don't think that's going to be the case. I think there's about 20,000 people on the waiting list. This is only going to offer up an extra, what? Is it 7,000 seats, and not all of them are going to go to season ticket holders. Maybe hundreds will get them, but not a lot more. So tickets are still going to be hard to get hold of it, unless they put this stadium up to 100,000 seater. Then maybe it'll be easier to get tickets, but yeah, I can't see it getting any easier to get tickets. So I asked what regiment was he in, and did I do the para course. I was in the Royal Irish Regiment, and no, I didn't do the para course. I was offered to do it, but me being me, like on my weekends, it was, I think it was at the time, it's a 3-week course that you do, and including weekends, and I let my weekends off when I was in the army, so because you didn't know when you were going to get a weekend off. Let's just zoom in here. So no, I didn't do it. When I mentioned my parachute jump in the last video, that was more of a charity jump through the military, through the army, in a place called Ballykelly or Ballykinler, I can't remember now. It was one of them two. I think it was Ballykelly, I'm not too sure. But that was through the army. It was more of a jump for charity. We had to raise some money to do the jump. wasn't much. I think I had to raise £60 and then we could do the jump. I think I just paid it out my wages because I wanted to jump out of an airplane. Yeah. Let's have a look what's going on in here. Not a lot going on there, is there? As you want, in case people think I'm spying on them. Right, okay. Next one says, drones and trees don't mix. When I said about crashing my drone in the last video, someone crashed their drone into a tree. They had to climb the tree to retrieve it. I had to climb into brambles. I don't know what's worse, I had to climb into brambles and they bloody hurt. But they climbed the tree to get retrieve the drone and they fell out of it and hurt themselves and they're on the mend now, they said, but yeah, it's not nice. So I'll zoom in there in this corner. Right. Here's what I say about thank you for, even if it's bad comments, for commenting. Are your videos about Anfield and Goodison? I think he means Bramley Moor. I only do a couple on Goodison. Or just your opportunity to talk self-promotional gabble. PS, are you and your mate? 1 second. My drone wants to come home for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, don't know why. It's okay. Let's cancel that. It's just above my head. I don't know what's going on there. Sometimes they're unpredictable. So let's get back where I was. Yeah. So PS, are me and my mate still claiming the Anfield build is 4 weeks behind? So I don't force anyone to watch the videos. You don't like what I'm putting out. You don't have to watch them. It's as simple as that. If you think I'm self-promoting, then I kind of need to, because I want this to be my full-time job eventually. But yeah, I apologise if it's not for you, but you don't have to watch. As for me and my friend, the guy that works on site is my friend. I didn't even know him. So hopefully they're catching up on that 4 weeks that they said, and maybe it'll be done on time. I'll leave that there. If you think builds don't fall behind, I'm from Liverpool. My hospital's it's about 7 years behind, the Royal Liverpool Hospital. So yeah, construction falls behind, trust me. A lot of love was shown for Luke and his dad, Uncle D. So I mentioned that one of my viewers' fathers has passed away, which I was sad about. Let's get round here. Yeah, a lot of love was shown. Loads of condolences sent. Luke has been in touch. He's thanked me for putting that on for him, and he thanks everyone for the condolences as well. It turns out that when I put the video out, his dad got buried that day. So Luke, mate, if you're watching, I know it's a tough time. Sending me love to you. Right, it's a green moss patch on the left hand side of the main stand has been mentioned, and I don't know where you mean. Let me say left hand side, and do you mean looking at it from this way? I can't see anything. Well, someone can help me out with this green moss patch, or if you want to comment and let me know exactly where you think it is, yeah, let me know. I can't see it. I'm looking at the left hand side now. I can't see it. Have you ever looked at the stars or planets with my drone? I think you mean because I've got such a good zoom on the drone now. I don't think it'll fly that high to reach Mars or the moon or anything. No, I'm only joking. No, because I don't think it's that type of without getting technical, you couldn't do it with this drone. But I have taken a picture of Jupiter before, and I'll put that on screen now so you can have a look at that. Jupiter and 4 of its moons, I think, are on there. And so I'm just going to fly over and have another look back at the build. Yeah, so I got Jupiter and 4 of its moons with one of my cameras, which I was dead excited about at the time. You know, this is a planet. This is the light off a planet that was sent, you know, before the dawn of time, and it's reaching my camera. So it's like time travel, if you like. Someone says, you do your videos the way you want. Nobody told Spielberg how to do his films. I wish I had Steven Spielberg's skills when it comes to filmmaking. I'm just going to have a little look along these now. What's going on here? Yeah, I wish I had Spielberg's skills, but I just haven't. But thank you for the support. Where will the turnstiles be? Oh, there's quite a lot of brickwork there, isn't there? That I haven't seen before. No, sorry. I'll get onto the turnstiles in 1 second. Let's just have a little closer look at that. See, this is so this is the corners then, isn't it? That's going all the way around, so that's why all that scaffolding's there then for the brickies to get working on. Okay, so the turnstiles are probably going to be the same as the main stand. They'll probably be down in these corners here. Okay, access to the lounges will be in the centre, so I'm assuming down there somewhere. What's that going to be? That's going to be a tunnel of some sort, isn't it? Yeah, so access to lounges will probably be around this area here, and your normal fan who sit in the stands will be in the corners. I'll try and get as much of that in my screen as I can. Okay, and the last one is a group of primary school children were the first to sit in the new stands. Yeah, I've seen that. I'm not going to get footage of it though, because I'd have to drop down too low into the ground, and I don't want to do it. I don't want to on Liverpool, and I don't want to risk losing my drone. So yeah, but yeah, guys, apart from that, I'm pretty much done here. This is a little bit of an experiment today. Flying in Explorer mode. It is only 4K. Okay, it's not the 5.1K, so can people let me know if they prefer the 5.1K or the fact that I can zoom right in and right out without having to keep stopping the video. I don't mind if you have to keep stopping the video. It's entirely up to yourselves what you want, quality wise, or would you like it to be free flowing video. Just let me know, so I'll leave it there, and as always, look after yourselves, get yourself safe, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.